Hello, welcome along to another video with myself, Mr. Burns. I wanted to share with you the technique on area multiplication. Traditionally conventional methods when we are multiplying two digits by two digits, we would do 8 multiplying 3, which is 24. We would have the 4 here and the 2 we would talk about being put, say, here, and 8 2s is 16, add 2 is 18, and then we would add this 0. 4 3s are 12, so let's carry that 1 here. 4 2s is 8, add 1 is 9, and then we would know to add vertically. Alright, now this is a conventional way, it works every single time, very favoured. My views on it, apart from that I feel really strongly about people's being able to do this, it's a really good method. I feel that when we are, say, multiplying the 8 by the 3, 24, so the 4, what goes in here? Is it the 2 or is it the 4? And where does the 2 go? It gets mixed up. Why is the 2 going here? Why is it not going above the 2? Why is it not going down here? Then there's all these decisions to be made, and then when we are multiplying by the 4, are we multiplying by 4? We're actually multiplying by 40, so we're adding that 0 to account for the tens part of that, the 40. So the 0 is added. So people tend to think about, all right, I'll add a 0. Why do you add a 0? Because that's how I remember how to do. And we can, there's loads of ways of doing this. I want to share with you this area multiplication. So this 23 is made up of the 20 and the 3, okay? Just in our tens and our ones column. Our 48, our tens and our ones column. Okay, and you have been well used to seeing your multiplication grid, your 1, your 2, your 3, your 4. Maybe you've used that further down your schooling, whether it would be in primary school or an S1. And really, the area multiplication is this process here, okay? And just your times table grid. And 4, 8, 12 and 16. Okay, so let's have a look at multiplying 23 by 48. Okay, so there's a real concentration here on the tens and the ones and the tens and the ones column. Okay, this 2, we go back to here, this is 24, so this 2 belongs in your tens column. Okay, so that really should be right on that tens column. Okay, so when we are multiplying this, right, we are multiplying 20 by 40. Okay, so we are multiplying tens by tens to get hundreds. Okay, so we've got 800, right? In the same way, 10 by 10 is 100, so tens by tens is hundreds. Okay, and then we are multiplying 20 by 8. Okay, so 8 tens is 80, so 2 lots of that is 160. 3 times 40, right? So 3 times 10 is 30, 4 of them is 120. And our ones column, 3 times 8 is 24. Now this here added together is our total. Okay, so to help us with the addition, we'll go horizontally. right? And if we need to, we can do some working at the side to add that horizontally. And horizontally here, 144, and then vertically, okay, 1104. Now, they're both really efficient methods, okay? Traditionally conventional algorithm, area multiplication, right? There are other ways of doing this. Also, I wanted to share with you this area multiplication method, right? And this can be extended into decimal multiplication as well, because there's a lot of misconceptions with where the decimal point goes when you are multiplying, for example, 2.3 by 4.8. Okay, so we really want to concentrate on our place value with these types of questions, right? So we've got our thousands, our hundreds, our tens, and our ones, right? And we usually write that as units, but really we have to understand that this here is our ones column, right? But then if we write the 1, the O there, we think that that's 0 and it doesn't represent 0. Okay, then our decimal point comes there. Okay, so we'll do this in another video, right? Decimal multiplication, place value, very important. Okay guys, thanks for watching.